My name is Rivers. Rivers Morgan. And I know my name's not Dexter like the show would say, but still. In my free time, I would ponder, drink, look into random bathrooms, and do whatever this is. I don't know. But I do, in fact, slime people out who skip class.
Hey, boys.
That's Hunter. He's an unusual guy, but he's really just funny, but nobody likes him. And then there's Stokes. He's on to me. He always thinks I'm up to something. He follows me everywhere.
Hey, so what are we talking about? Cool.
Passion.
And you should see what's in my pants.
You both talk like freaks and it's weird. Especially you, Morgan.
Man, I didn't even say anything.
Yeah, it's pretty wild, you know? Someone's been slimed.
Wow, this isn't the work of some amateur.
What the heck? Bro, this is sloppy! And the tape's not even on right! Who did this?
News tonight. 5 more people have been slimed by the infamous Kurt Cobain Slimer. And now, no. I've just gotten news, an important telegram that another person is seemed to be slimed as well. Voden is in shambles. Nothing is working.
Looks like whoever did this was a really serious slimer.
That Kurt Cobain Slimer.
That's a good guess, but it's not really like
Guys, the bell's about to ring in, right about now.
Oh, shit.
Oh man, nothing gets done in this class. Man, this teacher ain't even here. I just kinda wanna skip. Man, I don't wanna start too much at school.
It's over. Hey.
Yo, the name's Alex Moser. And, well, also known as the Kurt Cobain Slimer, of course, but nobody knows that yet. And, well, today I've decided to skip class. My usual class skipping routine likes to consist of dancing, looking at trophies. I also love whatever color this fire alarm is. I also had very big dreams of becoming a pro janitor, but I could never achieve them. Another pretty cool fact about me is that I have an alter ego named Joseph Cooper, and yeah, that's kind of what the public knows me as. But anyways, back to things that I like. I love school yearbooks, especially really, really old ones. Oh yeah, and my doctor diagnosed me with this thing called awesometism, so yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, and because I'm a loser and have no friends, I just kind of talk to puppets to make myself happy. But yeah, I guess that's all I have to say about myself.
What happens when you skip? I told you this. I told everybody this. Didn't actually, but I did. But I'm sorry I had to do this to you, but that's what happens when you skip.
Hey, little brother.
Alan!
Remember me now?
So this is where you've been all this time? You're skipping too, you know.
And so are you. What are you gonna do now? What the heck? What the heck?
Look at me. Why do you slide?
You know, I just kind of do it for the love of the game.
What the fuck? Morgan! Morgan!
Yeah.
What are you doing?
I'm just taking a leak. Somebody was lying back there. I think you should get on that.
What?
I'm gonna just take a leak.
Jesus Christ. Morgan!
Yeah?
This looks like you. Not enough to prove anything. But I'll be watching. I'll catch you.
Hunter. Where's Hunter? What the?
You good?
Well, looks like you're cooked. You good, man?
Hunter. Hunter. I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh, sorry, cameraman.
What
We
the?
just gotta tie our shoes. Yeah, we're tying our shoes.
Oh, Corbin!
It's over.
No! It's over for what? What did I do?
Wake up.
Where am I? Where am I? Answer me! Why am I here? What did I do?
You skipped class!
No!
4 days!
I was sick!
You skipped 4 days of
I was sick! I was sick! I was sick! I was sick! I was sick!
Shut up! Shut
Okay! Okay!
Shut up. You skipped 4 days of school. 4 days!
I was sick. I sat down. I was sick.
Everybody says they're sick.
But I was.
Now it's finally
No one gets skipped for 4 days straight. Chuck with the office, they'll tell you I was absent. I was sick. You could chuck him with the office. I was sick. I promise you.
I'm gonna be late. Surprise, Morgan! I'm finally caught you in the act. Wait. God damn it. God damn it. I got you. After all this time.
So he finally caught me. Somebody finally caught me. After all these times, I really thought it would be the end, but this one really is it. Wow.